Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the gear, now start. Find night vision goggles and a charged battery, then attach them to your helmet or headgear so you remain hands-free. Once attached, make sure nearby flashlights are off and ambient light is minimized to avoid bloom. Press your NV toggle key to turn them on. You'll see the green overlay. You're doing this to improve visibility without sacrificing weapon handling, so confirm the goggles are secured and the battery level is visible before moving. Once active, optimize how you use night vision to stay effective. Mount the goggles firmly on your helmet to reduce head sway. If you free aim, aim down sights to steady the image. Crouch or go prone for less motion blur and more precise engagement. Make battery management a habit. Toggle off between checks or during safe movement to extend runtime. Avoid pointing into flashlights or campfires. Bright light can wash out your NV image and temporarily blind you in-game. To finish, conserve power and secure spares. Turn night vision off when not needed and stash extra batteries in your bag. When you must swap power, do it in a safe location to avoid exposure. Inspect helmet durability after any engagement. If the goggles won't display, troubleshoot quickly. Check battery charge and seating, remove and reattach the unit, then re-equip. If problems persist, log out and back in or repair gear if damaged. This simple sequence fixes most NV issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.